Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Alfa Romeo Stelvio in neutral. To begin, ensure your vehicle is stationary and your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. With the engine running, gently push the gear selector upward from the drive position. You can also pull both paddle shifters at the same time to engage neutral. The N will illuminate on the gear selector, confirming the shift. Always keep the brake engaged until you are ready to select another gear. For emergency situations, like when the engine cannot start or the battery is dead, putting your Stelvio in neutral requires a specific procedure. You'll need an M6 bolt or a specialized park release tool. This tool is inserted from below the vehicle, acting on the transmission's manual park override lever. Screw it in partially until you feel resistance, which will release the transmission into neutral. Remember to remove the tool before attempting to start the car. If you encounter difficulty engaging neutral, there are a few things to check. Always ensure the brake pedal is fully depressed. Insufficient pressure can prevent the shift. Verify the engine is running or the ignition is on, as some procedures require power. If issues persist, consult your Alfa Romeo Stelvio owner's manual for specific model instructions. Safety is paramount, so never force the gear selector or ignore warning lights. To recap, you can put your Stelvio in neutral using the gear selector or by pulling both paddle shifters for standard operation. For emergency situations, a specific M6 bolt or park release tool is needed to manually override the transmission from underneath the vehicle. Always prioritize safety by keeping your foot on the brake and engaging the parking brake when necessary. For more financial wisdom and other great deals, be sure to check the description below for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and more. Drive safely and confidently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.